Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn how to fix blink camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check the power supply. Ensure your camera is properly powered. For battery operated models, verify that the batteries are functional. If necessary, replace them with a new 1.5 volts lithium AA batteries as these are recommended for optimal performance. For cameras connected via USB, confirm that the cable is securely attached to both the camera and a working power outlet. Fix 2. Verify Wi-Fi connection. Confirm that your Wi-Fi network is operational and that other devices can connect without issues. Ensure your camera is within range of the Wi-Fi router. Blink cameras should ideally be within 100 feet of the router or sync module to maintain a stable connection. Use the Blink app to check the signal strength. Open the app and go to the device settings. Select Sync Module status to view the signal strength between the sync module and the router. Tap the three-bar icon next to your camera's name to check its signal strength. If the signal is weak, consider moving the camera or router closer together or using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Fix 3. Power cycle the camera. For battery powered cameras, remove the batteries and wait for about 10 seconds before reinserting them. For USB powered cameras, unplug the power cable, wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This process can help reset the device and restore connectivity. Fix 4. Reset the sync module. If all cameras are offline, the sync module might be the issue. Press and hold the reset button on the sync module until the light turns red, then release it. Wait for the light to turn solid green and the blue light to start flashing, indicating it's ready to set up again. Use the Blink app to add the sync module back to your system. Fix 5. Update firmware and app. Updating the Blink app for iOS devices. Open the App Store on your iOS device, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, scroll down to see pending updates. If the Blink app has an update available, tap Update next to it. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store on your Android device, tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top left corner, select My Apps and Games. If the Blink app appears under Updates, tap Update. Updating Blink camera firmware. Check firmware version. Open the Blink app, select the camera you want to check, go to Device Settings, scroll to find the current firmware version displayed. Fix 6. Check for interference. Electronic devices like microwaves, cordless phones, or other Wi Fi networks can interfere with the camera's connection. Ensure the camera is placed away from such devices to minimize interference. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.